Hello, mathematicians. This is Mrs. Post. Today is April 8th, and today is Wednesday. Hope you guys are having a great day. I wanted to send you a quick little daily video just to kind of remind you of what you're working on today. Don't forget, I went ahead and made my videos public so you can get to them from just going to problem solving with Post. You should be able to get in there. I've got to organize it a little bit, which I'll work on this week, organizing the videos. It looks like only 16 people watched the video yesterday. Generally, we have like over 100 views for them, sometimes a lot more than 100 in the 120s, and which is perfect. It's how many students are in this class. But when there's only 16 and I'm going over an assessment that you guys took yesterday, that's kind of concerning. So I need to make sure you guys are checking your answers. I had a lot of questions on the problems I went over yesterday, which means that more than, probably half of you have those questions. So with only 16 of you watching out of like 120, that's not okay. So make sure you are doing such and you're checking your work and you're understanding what I'm looking for. So when I do give you an assignment, you know exactly what I'm looking for and what I'm expecting, okay? So please make sure you're doing so and pass it on to your friends, especially if they're asking you for help. Be like, well, did you watch the video? Because she goes over how to do it, all right? So make sure you guys are doing your part. I'm doing my part, I should be doing yours. So I am feeling exhausted. And so I'm sure you guys are also feeling exhausted. So because of that, I'm changing my lesson plans for the week. I'm not going to continue going with a new lesson. We'll do more when we come back from the long weekend. So I'm just going to do a review with you guys today. I'm just going to give you a review. You guys can look at this radical maze assignment. And I want you guys to still do it because I want you guys to get the practice, especially because not very many of you watched the review video yesterday. So you guys can just start. Tells you to start down here at the bottom, this bottom box down here, and you can see there are all different kinds of roots. They're a little bit even less complicated than your assessment yesterday, but there's fourth roots, third roots, different kinds of roots, sixth roots. Okay, and you guys are just going to simplify what's inside and try to get to the end up here. You guys can print it out. You guys can use it as a PDF file and mark on it. Or you guys can just kind of write down the path of the problems you're going. That's fine too on a sheet of notebook paper and take a picture of it. That's fine too. I just want you getting into the use of it and getting into the use of using your calculator. So remember, if your calculator is giving you a little bit of trouble or then you don't want to use it, you guys are welcome, remember, to go to Desmos and don't go to the graphing calculator, go to the scientific calculator and you guys can calculate and simplify in here. You guys can also change the root rather quickly by using this button right here where you can change the root to a sixth root and whatever number you need to plug in here. Whatever number is your radicand. I'm trying to look for one real quick. I don't see one. So anyway, so you guys are welcome to use the Desmos and work on that one. And then, like I say, you can write it on notebook paper and then submit it that way, or you can just print it out. That's my notebook paper. Well, it's my son's, but and then print it out or and write on it if you print it. Totally your choice. Anyway, so I'll be here, of course, in the post office from 10 to 12 today and 2 to 4 today. I hope you guys noticed that your grades were all finalized yesterday, so there were a lot of bumps in them. The grades didn't go down when I finalize them. I usually just adjust and look at the assignments as a whole, and then I go from there. So a lot of grades went up yesterday, so hopefully you guys saw that as I adjusted where necessary for particular assignments I wanted to remove or adjust or things like that, which I always do at the end of a quarter. So anyway, be sure to reach out if you have questions. Be sure to watch the old videos if you need it on simplifying radicals. You should be doing that. You are responsible for your own learning, and I am here to help if needed. Okay? So anyway, enjoy your day off from a new lesson, and have a fabulous Wednesday, April 8th, and I will see you guys later. Get to math and have a great day, mathematicians. See you guys later. Bye.